Man, I can't believe you broke the loader. Me? I can't believe you broke the loader. I can't believe you broke the loader. No, you broke the loader. Well, I guess let's see what it's going to take to get this thing fixed. Yeah, I guess we'll get to work on it, see what we can do. Well, this is the first thing. This arm is supposed to be tilted back like this. And as you can see, it's pretty broke. I did feel like I would have to come back and revisit this because this was a very thin wall piece of metal that was on here. I don't know why I don't go ahead and reinforce it when I originally do it, but I just originally want to get it put together to see if it works, and I really should have come back and reinforced it because I knew that was probably not going to be strong enough, but I tend to wait till it breaks and then fix it. So we're going to tear into that and get that fixed. Well, with a little cardboard aided design here, a little CAD, I got this made to go on there. See what it looks like from the other side. So I'll get that cut out, put one of them on each side. That should reinforce it very well. Too. that's problem number one taken care of. And here's the destruction number two. It might be kind of hard to see on here, but there's a big dimple right here. And then this is completely tore through the metal. Right here, that whole thing is pushed in. So I'm going to have to reinforce that a little bit better. It's pushed in all the way down through here. So I'm going to get this bucket off of here and see what I can do with it. I got the bucket off of it, and you can kind of see the daylight through it. So I'm going to try to beat this back out a little bit and just weld this back, and then I'll try to reinforce it from the other side. I haven't exactly figured out what I'm going to do yet, but I'll figure out something. That's not too bad. I can weld it back there. DJ. Hi. So I bent this bar right here. I'm going to weld it on there, and I'm going to have braces pieces coming between here and the bar, and then actually going all the way around the tank to this front little piece of angle right here with the use of some more cardboard aided design. Got it laid out on here. I'll get that cut out and we'll see how it fits. problem with that is it would probably dig pretty easy if it wasn't full of tree roots, but it's not made to dig dirt anyway. Made for lighter stuff. Hey everybody, if you've got any suggestions on what to do in the shop about cutting down on dust, yeah, I should be wearing a respirator a lot of the times, and I've changed over to a chop saw that has carbide tip rather than the fiber disc. Those things were terrible on doing that, but I'm still having to use like the fiber disc as a cutoff disc, and then the sanding disc for sanding and grinding, and all that stuff puts off a lot of dust, and they're fibrous and all that kind of stuff. So if y'all have any suggestions for that, how to collect the dust or filter the dust, the only thing in the shop I have is my little box fan with a filter in front of it that circulates the air a little bit, and I have an exhaust fan, but it's in the wall in the corner, so it's not really close to the dust. I may can figure out something on that, but the welder's out of gas, I'm out of gas, so that's going to do it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.